time.
Huh? Oopsie! Oh, so embarrassing. Oh my! I look like a dinosaur with my phone. Hello?
Look, there's an awesome video for Instagram.
Oh no! I know what to do. Wow! It's perfect! Oh, I definitely need it! I want to buy it. Just a moment. Hop. And, more.
Wait.
Is she serious? Wait a sec.
You're so rude! Hop. Hop.
Good job, young lady.
Thank you.
Out to go.
My payment, please.
Here you are.
What?
See you, cutie.
No way. Holy tubers! Stop crying!
You got you.
We had a great time.
Yep.
Huh?
What?
I'm done!
Oh my god. Yes.
You're fired!
Well,
Oh, hi, pretty. I want a kiss. Mwah.
oh no! Oh, okay.
Yeah, here you are. Hey.
Blech, disgusting.
Huh?
Take this.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Thanks. Yay! I wanna. In your dreams.
What?
Huh? Look. Huh? She's crazy.
Hi, girls.
Adios. 49, 21, 67.
Did you get all that down? So the next number is... Fortune has now chosen the next ball at 8.
Not bad.
And we'll return to our lotto results after a short break.
Fortune Bowser, just look at the amazing results. My dress?
Yikes.
Yucky. There's gotta be something to eat.
Not a lot. You know.
Yeah. Rock,
Here, rock, paper, scissors, shot.
I won. My noodle. Dry noodles, yum.
And what a wonderful stench. Now let's get back to our lobster results.
Yeah, let's continue.
Hurry up before we miss it all.
So, 77.
What? I don't believe. Pinch me?
Those are the numbers, and we congratulate the lucky one who has the winning combination.
Awesome! It's me! I'm the lucky one! Come here, you two!
But this was supposed to be my win. Stupid lottery, why did he win? Well, but now I have noodles. Do not worry, I'll hold
Are you sure? I'm so awkward!
I got you.
I feel so awkward and really lucky.
Hey, guys!
What is that? Wow!
Just look at that spell.
I'm just speechless.
What? It's a whole lot of money.
Well, Take it easy, Belle. I just want to thank you for everything. Only 2 tickets, buddy. I'm sorry.
I'll be back at dinner time. Drive.
Well, as they said, there is no crime in setting pretty. Be a little modest, Pear. Take what you can get.
Oh.
What a beauty! It's magnificent! I've always wanted to be here!
Ha! This is VIP, Belle. Nothing to sneeze at.
Wow! How they dance! What an amazing, graceful moment!
Boring.
Huh? Hey, don't sleep!
Yes. No need to go to school.
What a shame! Wake up! You're an embarrassment! Or, well, shut up! So, let's continue to enjoy the arts and culture.
I told you, no money.
This is so daring!
Oh, yeah.
Wait,
Oh,
it makes me want to go to a movie.
let's go then.
Greetings, film lovers.
Whoa, the tickets are wildly expensive. I know what to do.
Cool!
Everything's okay. Enjoy your movie.
Here you are.
Well, oh.
I'm slipping!
Must be something I hate. Don't judge this old man.
Go! Ooh!
Yum! Oh, sorry.
What a honey.
Yeah, I am.
Holy tubers, not that! My phone needs to be cooled down. Ass up. Oh, please don't die.
Oh, how is this possible? It's good to have another one. A clean one.
I can't believe it. How much money can he possibly
I
waste?
need to answer her right now.
Uh-oh. Well, how's my little body in there? Praise God. All's well, I suppose. Buddy? Oh no, he did not survive. It's going to be a great day. Surprise!
Oh, so unexpected and
It's
pleasant.
a trifle. Would you...
Hey, it's good and not busy.
She's busy.
What is
it?
it?
Surprise!
I can't believe my eye. It hurts.
I'll go and see. Ah! Holy tubers! My house is totally buried in flowers! What a bloomy mess!
Feel good? Feel bad.
Oh, the epic love!
That's epic.
Take it. moving.
Excuse me.
Ha! Wait a minute. That's lightning fast. A good tip should be left.
Your pizza.
I'll pay by card. How is that? When am I try? But plummet. What's your game, you wicked greedy
You can
box?
pay cash.
Of course. Just wait a minute.
Oh yeah.
There's no money. Do you think there'll be enough?
No, I don't think so.
But, my ride! Stop! Give it back!
What's that noise?
Huh?
Brilliant. Well, where is it? Here. That's enough.
Beggar pizza.
I've come to pay.
At last, the pizza is yours, sir.
Huh? What's going on?
Why did it stuck to me? And what is it? I hate clients.
Smells delicious, doesn't it?
I'll take a slice.
So,
Hop.
finally! Now I'm really popular. Huh? How could I forget? I need to get her a present, and fast. Just what I need. Perfect! I'll find what I need in no time. Yes!
Huh? Where's my baby?
Just as I thought. Aww.
Huh?
To help her.
No one's around? Great.
Say hello to Superstar Liza.
Huh?
Hey!
I can't believe my eyes! Superstar Liza!
Oh, careful. So, how about making a video together?
Wow! Just wow! Of course!
Whoa! Just look at these numbers.
I'm so happy! Thank you!
Ouch! Oops. It's time to put me down. Good luck. Bye-bye.
Bye! Thanks again!
Tasty and beautiful. But where's Liza?
Oh, he must be Mommy. Huh? Sorry, Mom. Oh, that'll do. Hey, let me help you.
You saved me!
Let's take it off, huh? I'm gonna help you with this. I've got an idea.
Right! Thank you!
You'll need this. Now, wipe the mirror.
Hey!
Oh.
High five.
I'm so happy, so happy! Where did you go?
Oh, no. I can't believe she's not here on my birthday.
Oh, Mom must be so worried. That must be her.
Loser! Get your stuff if you can! How about some fun reading?
Oh no, that's horrible. This is the last time, Mom.
Well. Isn't that the Plaza keeps talking about?
I don't think anyone will see me here. Get up. Don't cry. I've got a plan.
Really?
Look at this.
Wow! This just might work!
Let's create an account for you. Calm down. It's gonna work. Here they are. Are you ready? Go and be scary. Got it?
Yep. It worked! Yay! It worked!
Even better than we thought. Look.
Whoa! All thanks to you!
Huh?
Look!
What?
It's Superstar Liza! I'm her greatest fan!
Oh yeah, she's so cool.
Superstar Liza!
Oh
Superstar Liza!
no! Huh? I'm not a bad person. Uh-oh, I'm in trouble.
Superstar Liza! Here she is! What's going on?
Mom, look, I'm really sorry.
Gotcha! It will make a great video.
Whoa! That's really cool, Mom! Oh, and happy birthday!
Oh. Thank you, darling.